I'm in today, JFK-LA, and it's good, it's passable, but not quite a first class on the A321. JetBlue also uses the A320, but it's a different configuration. So, I mean, it's good, and the seats are okay, a little narrow, but one knock I have on the seat design is that the power outlets and the ports for the headphones are located right behind your elbow. So if you move your arms while you're typing, like as I do, you can see you can kind of like knock it out, and then you gotta twist, and you gotta try to find how to plug it back in, and not as easy to do. So there is a light. It's a daytime flight right now, but like even the light, like you gotta like twist around. I mean, I know it sounds like I'm picking, but I mean they're part of the creature comforts that make the flight more enjoyable. So if you get this seat under 1K, then you should do it. But I've noticed lately that JFK-LA business first class fares have been off the hook, hitting 3K. I can tell you, this seat is not worth 3K. 1,000 or less, yes, that's what I paid. Hopefully you do the same. Now, if you're having trouble, finding value, and you like flying comfortably for less, and are having a hard time making that happen, give me a follow, subscribe, and let's do it together. Look forward to seeing you up front. Thank you.